Hello everyone. Let's begin with this question. I have already explained you the rules of exponents and we have already done few questions where we have to use the rules of exponents, but I thought I should come up with the new video. Here in this question, we have a negative powers. So the first step should be we have to change the powers to the positive powers. So for this, we will use the rule which says a raised to power negative n is equals to 1 over a raised to power n. That means whatever the values are there in the numerator place with the negative powers, if we will change them into the positive, all the values we have to write in the denominator place. If any value is there in the denominator place which is having a negative power, that will go to the numerator place. That means it will come down, it will go up. Now here we will write down 14 raised to power 8 into 625 divided by now 4 raised to power 5 into 10 raised to power 16 into 5 raised to power 2 into 4 raised to power 2. So these numbers position will not change in the numerator and denominator because they are already having the positive powers. Now after this, we have to break these values into the prime factors. So 40, if I have to write, I will do it. 40 and then I divide it with 2, it will be 20. Then again with 2, it will be 10. Then again with 2, it will be 5. Then 5, 1. So 40 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 into 5. So we'll write on that here. 2 raised to power 3 into 5. Same for 625. If I will do, I can write it as 125, then again 5, 25, then again 5, then 5, then again 5 and 1. So it can be written as 5 raised to power 4. We will write on that here. Now 4 can be written as 2 to 1, 2 raised to power 2. So we'll write on that here. 2 raised to power 2 and then 5 outside the bracket. Then 10 can be written as 2, 5, 5, 1. That means 2 into 5 raised to power 16 into 5 raised to power 2. This is also 4, so it can be written as 2 raised to power 2 and then outside the bracket there is the power which is 2. Now after this, here we have to write down 8 outside because I have written it for 40. Now in the question it is given 40 raised to power 8. So we have to put the bracket and then raised to power 8. Now after this we have to use the another rule which says a raised to power m into b raised to power x is equals to a raised to power m into x into b raised to power x. So we will do the same. 2 raised to power 3 into 8 into 5 raised to power 8 into 5 raised to power 4 divided by 2 raised to power 2 into 5 into 2 raised to power 16 into 5 raised to power 16 into 5 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 2 into 2. So let's simplify it more. So it would be equals to 2 raised to power 24 into 5 raised to power 8 into 5 raised to power 4 over 2 raised to power 10 into 2 raised to power 16 into 5 raised to power 16 into 5 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 4. Now we have to use the another rule which says a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n is equals to 5 raised to power 8 plus 4 divided by this is 2 raised to power, this is also 2 raised to power, this is also 2 raised to power. So we have to add all the powers together. Then into 5 raised to power 16 plus 2. Now we will get is equals to 2 raised to power 24 plus 5 raised to power 12 divided by 2 raised to power 30 into 5 raised to power 18. Now we have to use the rule of division, which says a raised to power m over a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m minus n. So let's do it. 2 raised to power 24 minus 30 into 5 raised to power 12 minus 18, which is equals to 2 raised to power negative 6 into 5 raised to power negative 6, which is equals to 1 over 2 raised to power 6 into 5 raised to power 6, which is equals to 1 divided by 10 raised to power 6. So if you want to keep your answer like this, you can keep it like that. But if you have to calculate the answer with the multiple choice options and the option is 1 over 10 raised to power 6, then this is the answer. Why we did 10 raised to power 6? Because the rule is a raised to power m into b raised to power m is equals to a into b raised to power m. So we have used that rule here. I hope that you understand the question very well. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share my channel link with your friends and family.